Hey there! Welcome to Getting Down to Work with AI. This is a two-part video series all about teaming up with our AI friend Techie. In this first part, we'll explore how to collaborate with Techie responsibly and creatively. Let's start with 4 key tips to guide us. Here they are. Collaborate, don't copy. Work with Techie, don't just take its work. Edit and double-check. Make sure Techie's output fits what you need. Give meaningful input. Clear requests get better results. Keep it ethical. Use Techie for good, not trouble. Let's see these tips in action. Meet Jordan, who's writing a poem about the importance of a strong community. Jordan starts with an idea and teams up with Techie to make it shine. Jordan's not settling for what Techie tosses their way. They're co-creating with Techie, not just grabbing what's there. Jordan's got a plan. No boring or lazy word choices here. With Techie's blanket imagery and a slick alliteration trick, they're making this poem pop together. Look at that. Techie's first draft was just a few lines, but together, they built something richer. Collaborating isn't just copying. It's a chance to refine, add your own ideas, and even learn new tricks like alliteration. Jordan didn't just get a poem. They learned how to make it better. That's a wrap on tip 1. You've seen how Jordan and Techie teamed up to create something awesome. In part 2, we'll dive into next tips to make your AI adventures even better. See you there.